Hello everybody, what's up? This is Eleanor, or Elle, you can call me Elle. Um, I'm just doing this quick video. I'm so excited. We have Get Money 2013 coming up next weekend, and I'm just so excited. I'm looking forward to seeing my Empower family, and we just, fellowshipping together, get to, and just really have fun and learn a lot from each other. And that's another thing. That's another thing I like to take away whenever I'm, especially meeting new people. I like to learn everything I can about a person, because I'm the type of person I like to try and personalize. Whether it's asking about your family or seeing how's everything going with you as a whole. Just different things. And it's just going to be so amazing. I get to see all my cool people, my friends and everything. And I'm excited, and I feel really good about this. And I'm at a point where I need this. I need that extra push. And I feel real good about it, the whole thing. And I just love my Empower family. They're awesome. I learned so much from them since I've been in Empower. And and just the motivation, the energy, the encouragement. There's another word I was going to use, but the encouragement. From not only from we have Monday night calls, we have for the individual teams, we have our Google Hangouts, we have our training there's training meetings, daily wake up for success, and things of that nature. We interact, with each other every day, constantly encouraging each other, trying to help, and getting everybody where they need to be. And sometimes, and I know I every now and then might need that extra push, or somebody like, okay, you know better, or you need to do this, you know what you got to do. Nobody should have to tell you. And I understand that, because I have my modes. Sometimes I'll get lax, get a little lazy. But one of the key things that they mentioned, not just in the Google Hangouts and everything else, but, just as a whole, is that, with the business, all fun and everything aside, with the business, you got to treat it what it is. It is a business. But at the same time, nobody never said you couldn't have fun handling your business, but you have to make sure and be mindful this is a business, and that you got to handle your business appropriately. But otherwise, I'm so excited to see my Empower family and being in Chicago for those days. It's been a long time since I've been in Chicago, so I'm pretty excited. Well, like I said, I just want to kind of do a brief catch-up, a brief up-to-date, and I hope everybody's doing well. You take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.